Farmers under the Karnataka State Farmers Association staged a protest in front of the Taluk Administration building in Jamkhandi city, Bagalkot district, expressing anger against the government and officials over multiple issues. Farmer leader Daripa Danagowda said farmers are suffering due to a lack of rainfall which has completely damaged crops and demanded a complete loan waiver and compensation for crop losses. He also alleged misuse of laws by officials and demanded that the withdrawal of unnecessary cases against farmers along with the equal application of law. Shivaji Kadam said farmers are the backbone of the country and should be treated with respect, adding that their problems must be addressed without harassment in government offices. Sharanappa said drought-like conditions have led to the shortages of fodder and drinking water for cattle and demanded an immediate declaration of drought and the opening of cattle shelters. Raju Nadav said the association has no political affiliation and will continue its struggle for farmers' rights. After the protest, leaders submitted a memorandum through Tahsildar Anil Badagera to Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the district collector demanding a loan waiver, crop compensation and withdrawal of electricity privatization proposals. They also demanded that government fee details be displayed on nameplates in all offices and that officials respond to farmers' issue promptly. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.